Hi and welcome back to my channel. Now, I've been doing a series of videos by diving into the wonderful world of herbs and looking at their benefits and uses for all kinds of health solutions. But now I'm doing a deeper dive into natural skincare because that's largely something I do focus on when it comes to looking after the largest organ of our body. Now, we overlook that, and whilst we focus mainly on the inside when it comes to our natural health and the solutions we want to find for our well-being, we often forget about our skin. I'm going to be talking to you about Dermazeam, which is a cream that combines some of the most natural, potent ingredients that are simple and they support and enhance your skin's health. So let's take a look at how each component that I usually formulate in my natural skincare and how they actually help to support our skin. Here's a closer look at one of the ingredients I use, and that is raw organic Ghanaian shea butter. Now, shea butter is known for its ability to deeply moisturize and protect the skin, and a study published in Molecules highlights that shea butter's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties actually make it an essential type of skincare to use that helps to soothe irritated skin and it locks in moisture. Now, shea butter is also anti-inflammatory and it's a great antioxidant, not to mention its great ability for moisturizing the skin, keeping the skin retention of moisture. Now, next I've got is cold pressed organic coconut oil. Now, I mention organic because you want the beneficial properties. You don't want to have refined products in your skincare because you want the natural potency of these emollients and oils to really work to enhance your skin's health. And as our skin is our natural, our largest organ, we want to support it and look after it and give it the best and purest ingredients that are going to work. So according to research published in the Journal of Dermatology, coconut oil improves the skin's natural moisture. It also supports eczema-prone skin thanks to its rich fatty acids and antimicrobial properties. Coconut oil also hydrates, and its antimicrobial properties not only just support the skin, but it also provides a great protector and hydration for dry, irritated skin. Now, lavender oil is something that I often put in my skincare. In fact, it's in the base of all my skincare that I use. And particularly from doTerra, and I'll explain why I use these oils in a moment, but let's just focus on the lavender. It is a brilliant oil in terms of its calming abilities for the skin. It's a natural antiseptic and it supports healing of the skin as well. But doTerra emphasizes that their lavender oil is distilled from the finest flowers, ensuring maximum therapeutic benefits. And lavender oil is also renowned for its calming effects, and it helps to reduce redness, supports the natural healing process, and studies in evidence-based complementary and alternative medicine show that lavender's antifungal and antiseptic properties often accelerate wound healing, making it invaluable in skincare. Now, frankincense, on the other hand, is known for its anti-inflammatory and rejuvenating properties, and you may have seen it added to skincare. Now, doTerra sources their frankincense from Oman, ensuring its highest quality. That's why I love to use their oils in my skincare. Now, this oil is not only effective in reducing inflammation, but it also helps to fade scars and dark spots. And it, as highlighted by the studies in the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine, so it's a powerful ally in achieving an even skin tone and promoting overall skin health. And it's great for hyperpigmentation and aging skin. So frankincense is anti-inflammatory, it reduces scars and even skin tone, which is why it works well for people with hyperpigmentation. Now, in creating Dermazeam, I found that my handmade skincare, where I choose doTerra products, essential oils, because they're full of the highest quality sourced from plants that are grown in their native environment. That's why I love it. And they have a rigorous testing process for purity through their doTerra certified pure tested grade, which is CPTG. And that's the process I love, as this commitment to purity with these oils just ensures that they are not synthetic, they have no fillers, they provide the cleanest, most effective ingredients for our skin. And this has been proven time and time again with the formula that I make, which is so simple but powerful. So I like to use doTerra oils, and I wouldn't use anything less on my skin. So this cream also smells heavenly, and it's got great properties which help with the overall skin health. Now, I remember Samantha, a woman who said that the cream smells amazing. She said, in fact, she said it smells heavenly. I love it. She said it's lovely to put on. It didn't sting my little man's skin, she says. Her son, it's definitely improved his eczema, and his skin is smoother and less inflamed. And this is the whipped cream right here. And this is just one of many stories highlighting the effectiveness of Dermazeam's natural and thoughtfully chosen ingredients. And this also helped my daughter overcome the dryness and itchiness of her skin when she was suffering with eczema. However, Dermazeam is more than just a moisturizer. It's a carefully crafted blend of natural, pure ingredients that are most effective, and each are chosen for its ability to nourish, protect, and heal the skin. And with the power of doTerra's pure essential oils, alongside the shea butter and coconut oil, and this cream often offers a natural, holistic approach to skincare that's both gentle and powerful. Now, thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for more insights into the world of natural skincare. I've got a lot more for you, as I'm going to be sharing more on nature's oils and uses. And if you're managing dry, irritated skin, like eczema, psoriasis, sensitive skin, or you simply want to enhance your skin's natural glow using nature's solution for a more radiant skin, then subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell and stay tuned so that I can share things for your well-being from the inside out, and share this video with others as well. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.